Guys, we're here for another smash unbox, and we're not gonna do any unboxing. Instead, we're gonna show you how to set up your Google Wi-Fi. Okay, so this will assume that you have a Google account and you already downloaded the Google Wi-Fi app from App Store or Play Store. Okay, so you have to plug in your Google Wi-Fi already to the C-type adapter, as well as the Ethernet cable that came with it. Okay, so the Ethernet cable that came with it needs to go to the main modem or the router. Then the other end goes to the Google Wi-Fi, right? So let's look at the app. Okay, it says here, let's get Google Wi-Fi set up. That's what we're gonna do. So we're not gonna join that one. Just press on get started. It's gonna do a search for your Google Wi-Fi. Okay, Google Wi-Fi point found. Then scan the QR code. So at the bottom of the Google Wi-Fi, there's actually a QR code there. So let's not type anymore. Instead, let's scan the code. All right, very good. That's very accurate. Then connecting to Wi-Fi point. I wonder, since the Google Wi-Fi is new, I wonder if it will do any sort of a firmware update or any update in this case. It looks like it's not. So this is already asking you where you're going to put this or you're going to label it as such. So no, we're not going to use that. Instead, let's create other, add label. Let's put game room smash game smash unbox. Save. Okay, then press next. Then Wi-Fi name smash unbox studio. Then press next. Password, just for the heck of it. Okay, Google Wi-Fi is powered by cloud services. Google Wi-Fi can store and analyze data about your entire network. Okay, let's turn it on, no problem. Creating your Wi-Fi network, saving your Wi-Fi settings. So again, while we're waiting for this, you have your modem already. You need to connect using the Ethernet cable that came with it from the modem to the Google Wi-Fi. Okay, and there's two ports only. You must connect it to the port that has a globe. All right, let's see. It's still trying to connect, trying to create the network here. So I'm really wondering, will it ask to do a firmware or software update since it's out of the box? Okay, we have some activity here. Re-establishing connection. So it's doing a bit of a ping with each other. Finalizing your home Wi-Fi, make sure everything is in order. Oh, that's fast. We're talking about probably 3-4 minutes. How many Wi-Fi points you have? I actually have 2 of this, but for the sake of initial setup, let's just select one. Activating mesh, place your last Wi-Fi point. Nope, we're not gonna do this. Okay, it's asking us to do this. We want to exit. Nope, let's not exit that. Everything looks good. Your network is online. Okay, guest Wi-Fi. So you can actually create a guest Wi-Fi broadcast through your Google Wi-Fi, right? Family Wi-Fi. So it's basically just to get the family connect into let's say 5G or 2.5G. And for the guest Wi-Fi, so you can monitor their access as well. Use Google Wi-Fi app anywhere. Okay, good. Let's take a look at this. Smash Unbox Studio is online. Okay, so internet, no speed history yet. Yeah, let's do a test here. Okay, some real-time internet activity, Wi-Fi point device. So it tells us, okay, Galaxy Note 9. That's my mobile phone. And then you can check your network, show password. We're not gonna do that here. Then if you want to create like just a guest Wi-Fi broadcast, or you want to separate the access for your family or friends, you can do that. Home control if you have smart devices connected to your network. Okay, so let's give it a try. Let's do network test. Test internet. Okay, connecting to Google server. So it's basically gonna measure the speed of our internet connection. The uplink and the downlink. Testing download speed. I hope it's a good one. Otherwise, it's a shame. Okay. Testing upload speed. So a couple of seconds ago it was download. Now it's doing the test on the upload. Okay, network check. So this is the first time that this Google Wi-Fi is doing a network check. So this is sort of his baseline. Internet speed test complete. Not bad. 32 downlink, 32 uplink. Your internet speed is pretty quick. Cool. Let's do test Wi-Fi. So this time around, it will check the speed of the devices connected to the Wi-Fi router or to your Google Wi-Fi. But for now, there's only one that is connected, which is my mobile phone. So I'm wondering what display would he give us. Okay, testing Wi-Fi to all connected devices. Right. So by the way, it's fresh from the box, but it didn't really ask for any firmware or software update, which is good. That's a good sign. So it's almost like a plug and play kind of router. Testing Wi-Fi to all connected devices. Okay. I only have one device connected, so it's just making sure. Wi-Fi test complete. Smash game smash unbox. Devices tested 0. I don't know why 0, but obviously you saw a while ago the on the devices that I'm using a mobile phone connected for this one. Yeah, this one. Devices real time. So tells you Galaxy Note 9 and the real time uplink and downlink usage. Okay, guys, that's another video from Smash Unbox. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.